Hi friends, today I am going to start day 20. How to answer in English. Without fear, speak naturally. ఇంగ్లీష్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే మైండ్ బ్లాంక్ అవుతుందా? ఈ సింపుల్ మెథడ్ ఫాలో చేయండి. Many people know English words, but they fear answering questions. The problem is not English. The problem is pressure. Today learn 3 steps to answer confidently. Step 1. Buy time. Use these sentences. Let me think for a moment. That is a good question. Time వస్తుంది, ఫియర్ తగ్గుతుంది. Step 2. Answer simply. Don't try big sentences. Example, why are you learning English? I want to improve my communication. Simple is powerful. Step 3. Close politely. End your answer confidently. That's all for now. I hope that answers your question. Remember, fast English is not confidence. Clear English is confidence. Practice daily, fear will disappear. Closing line, English is a skill, not a test. Don't be afraid to answer. Thank you for watching. See you in day 21.